Meet ONO. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. ONO is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, ONO uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. ONO works with phones of all sizes, and its app is available for iOS, Android, and for the web. You can create 3D objects picking a design from ONO's easy-to-use library. Or you can make your own with 3D software, including mobile 3D scanning. You can also choose designs from the web created by others, or share via ONO 3D Message. ONO can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour the resin, and ONO does the rest. ONO uses a special photopolymer resin. ONO prints are made using your smartphone's screen light to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. ONO has different resins for different jobs. After ONO prints your object, all you need to do is to simply wash it. ONO can print hard objects and flexible ones. ONO even has a castable resin that can be fused to create objects in silver, gold, or other castables. ONO resin can be used to print translucent models to light up your design. ONO resins are available in a variety of colors, priced competitively with other 3D printing materials. Anyone can use ONO. All you need is creativity. With ONO, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can surprise someone special or give life to your imagination. ONO is revolutionizing 3D printing. It's the first 3D printer that's truly affordable and easy to use. ONO will cost just $99 because we want everyone to have one. Spread the word. Help us bring ONO to everyone.